Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, and a review on the Beauty Concepts Hocus Pocus face palette that has bronzer, blush, and highlighter. With that being said, let's get started. So this Hocus Pocus palette has a bronzer, blush, and a highlighter. It's cruelty-free and vegan. So this is the front. This is cute. So this is the back right here. And it does have a little tiny 12 months at the bottom. And then for adult use only, not tested on animals, designed in the US, made in China, and then formulated exclusively and distributed by Ashante Accessories Inc., New York, New York. And then in the back, it does have a peel me. Peel me for what? So it does have a peel me, and I'm peeling it, but it's just like that, so I don't know. Nope. I just messed this up. Peel me. Didn't work. Ooh, this is pretty. It has a mirror. I like that. Okay. Let's see if you guys can see a mirror. It has a mirror. You guys see the mirror? That's the mirror right there. And it does have a film protector. So it doesn't state which is which. So which one's the blush, highlighter, or the bronzer. So I'm going to have to go with it based on what I see here. This one is the bronzer, highlighter, and blush. This blush kind of seems a little bit like bronzer as well. I'm going to add as much product as I can. I'm going to use the blush brush for the blush. Okay, highlighter's good. This is the final look. What do you guys think? My thoughts on this palette is that it is pretty. It's cute. I like the packaging. Well, this packaging, this sort of, not really. I don't like that it was like moving around in here, that it was just kind of like empty in there. This, I don't know if it has anything to do with the Disney Hocus Pocus films, but all I know that it says is Beauty Concepts and that's it, and then Hocus Pocus in the front. So I don't know if they did it kind of like to market it out there so people could buy it because they thought that it was like based on the movie, just like I did. So I don't like that this says peel me, but then I did, and there's like no other paper here. I also like that it came with a protectant film. I like the fact that it has a mirror in here, and it's a decent sized mirror, so it's like this whole thing. I did not like that it didn't show up. So the bronzer showed up a little bit here, but it looks like dirt, guys. Blush didn't show up at all. Highlighter didn't show up until I started doing it a little bit more with my fingers. Out of 5, I give this product 8.5. This for me is a fail. I didn't like it, apart from the packaging and the mirror. So if you guys like this review, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.